Good morning. So today we're going to learn how to find the surface area of the last two shapes that we're going to work on, the two solids. And that's pyramids, and a pyramid is the pointy thing, the number one, and the sphere, which is like a basketball. So in all of these formulas are pretty easy. The first thing you're going to find is the perimeter of the base. Well, if all the sides are 5 and there's 4 sides, that would be 20. The slant height is that L, and we saw that in another formula earlier this week. It's the distance if you slide down the side of the pyramid, which is that one right there, which is 7.4. And then the area of the base would be 5 times 5, which would be 25. And then you just simply put it into your formula. 20 is the perimeter. Slant height is 7.4 plus 25. Don't multiply them all together. So that gives you the surface area equals 99. And surface area is square units, so it's going to be kilometers squared. Now on the sphere, we need to find the radius of the sphere. Just pay attention to the pictures. I think half of them are going to have a radius and half of them are going to have a diameter. So in this case, we're given the diameter and we need to cut that in half to get the radius. So we get 9.8 divided by 2 is 4.9. So our radius is 4.9. And this one is pretty easy. You just do 4 and type in your pi from the calculator, and then 4.9 in parentheses squared. And we'll put that in the calculator, and we get 301.72. And that would be centimeters squared. And that's it for today. These are the last two. We'll have a review tomorrow. You'll get your answers on Thursday and have a short test on Friday with all of the shapes. See you later.